Hello everyone. Today I wanted to show you a very quick tutorial on how to do splits. Now it basically just takes 2 easy steps. 1, 2. There you go. But no, seriously, I'm going to show you how you can get to at least this level. Very easy. Alright, here we go. So, basically we're going to start on the ground first. So what I want you to do is put both your legs out straight like this. Not bent, straight, and flex your toes back. So it looks like that. Next, you're going to simply move one foot over and then the other one. And next, you're going to try to reach your toes. Or in the middle. Now it doesn't have to be far, it can be even here, just a little bit. And then you're going to move one leg over the other one, meaning the hand. You're going to do this. You're going to slightly move them out even more. And then you're going to walk yourself over and then back. Over and back. As much as you can go. Now hold it there for about 10 seconds. Just like that. And take a nice deep breath in and out. So get a little relaxed. When you're tense or stressed, the muscles are going to be tense and stressed. You want to be relaxed, your muscles will be relaxed, and they'll thank you later. Now of course, move it back. Let's say this is the most you can move, okay? It's not moving no more. Good. Do the same thing. Hold the stretch. Like such. Now, let's say it won't move anymore. Basically, you're gonna place your hand in the back and in the front, and then you're gonna lift yourself up slightly by an inch. Up, and slightly push yourself forward. Now sit up straight, like this, and feel the stretch. Now what then you can do is also turn your hips in. And what I mean by that is, you slightly tilt to the side, like that. Not too much, to keep it very simple. And then you get lower and lower to the ground. And you can put your elbows down. Do the same thing. Over, over, forward, down. A little bit here, a little bit there. And then lower down. And then you're going to hold this for about 10 seconds, get used to it. Breathe. Breathe. And then relax. Then you're going to go back up. Now we're going to go again, even more. Slightly scooch up, forward, and then go down. To the side, to the side. And another good thing to keep your hands out straight. It works like a little resistance or a little spring. So instead of you just collapsing, I pulled something like that. Instead, you hold it here, and you gotta support so if it feels too tight, you don't drop, you can push yourself back up. And basically you're gonna go side to side. Side to side, then a little more in the middle. And you hold it there. Then you go back here. Now, we're gonna scooch back just a little bit. So let's say this is about your limit. Scooch back just an inch. So take a step back to get step forward. Now you'll notice it'll be a lot easier. And you're gonna basically keep on doing that. So you get down, as much as you can go. 1 inch forward. Get a good stretch. Then move it back 1 inch. And after you do that for a few times, you're gonna scooch even more, even more. And then hold it. And lastly, you're gonna hold it as much as you can. So let's say this is your limit.
I can't bear anymore. This is it. This is it.
Like such. That's it. It's like, let's say this is your limit. Now you're gonna hold it and enjoy the stretch. Now it shouldn't be extremely painful, it just should be very uncomfortable. At your level, just there. So between the threshold of pain and discomfort, just around there you'll feel it. Then you just hold it there and try to embrace that pain. Just relax into it. If you're relaxed, the pain will be a lot easier and your muscles will actually relax with it. Another cool thing you can do, guys, is it's a little painful. You can go like this with your fist. Now, I don't know exactly what this does in terms of in your body. Maybe it like makes the blood flow easier. But when you do it, it really relaxes your muscles. It's like a little massage. And almost instantly you'll notice the pain when you breathe into this. It'll be a lot more bearable to do a split. To get out of it, basically put your hands, you do the same thing. Scooch back, and then bring your feet together. Shake them out, get them all nice and loose.